stop coming to fucker. Hey! What the fuck you knock my hat off for?
You're a fucking liar. I know. I told you. I guessed you fucking before. What the fuck is going on with Mike's Corner? Yeah, it's gonna be a fucking, I'll talk about box, everything. What the fuck about me? You leave it.
Stop! God damn it, damn! Yo, I'm gonna fucking move from here. Listen, stay away with.
Yeah, you get this. You get this, you fucking prima donna. You cut me out, I'll get none of the fucking money. You're lucky we ain't got a fucking contract together. You know that? I love fucking slapping you, cause you're my bottom bitch.
Get the stick away from me, man. You fucking, all this over a fucking, yeah, alright. If you gotta fucking know, then yeah, I'm gonna have the Mike's Corner.
I heard, and I ain't gonna tell you who the fuck told me, but you're gonna start fucking paying me if this fucking show gets off the ground. Don't know when it fucking starts, but you know what? Bye, bitch.